11 Houston, we can make out the markings on the panel. We read System A, S in fuel, S in oxidizer, Quad 1, Quad 4. It's really unbelievable the definition we're getting down here off that little camera, over. We can even see the barber pole on the dogback. We can read the markings on the instruments for the glycol pressure, quantity, PCO2. You can read the scale on the 8-ball, over. Houston, we see the cross-feed barber pole, and we had the Velcro patches back up to the RCS systems now. We can see the markings on the meters, green and red bands in limit. We see you raise the cover on the abort stage. We don't recommend that.
Yeah, we're going to tape that one over.
Right.
We're going to tape that one over.
We concur.
The restraints in here do a pretty good job of pulling my pants down.
Roger. We haven't quite got that before the 50 million TV audience yet. At 11 Houston, that's a good view of the 8-ball. We see you can even read the off flag there. You can see the signal strength meter for the radar, read the numbers on it.
Houston, did you want us to test the cameras in the LEM? And I was wondering about that. I saw it in the flight plan, but I'm just wondering if you want to do that on CSM power, or do you want us to take both of the 16mm cameras back in the CSM and test them there, over?
Stand by, Bud.
If an alternative to that, why, we could wait until LOI day and there's that word again, ancillary stowage container.
Roger. The shades didn't quite hack it there, Buzz, over.
Houston 11, are you still getting high bit rate off the Omnis at this distance?
Stand by, Mike. Apollo 11, Houston, about 50% of the time we're getting high bit rate off the Omnis when you're in PTC, over.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Apollo 11, Houston, Neil, at this attitude, you look like you're about 12 feet long.
Seems like I always find myself upside down on whatever I'm doing around here.
Apollo 11, Houston, could you give us a few comments on your crew comfort with the CSM hoses moving the air around, over?
Well, it's picking up a little bit of circulation in here.
What do you estimate the temperature is, Buzz, over?
Oh, I'd say maybe 73, 75. It's hard to tell at this density and pressure of gas, but comfort level is about the same as the command module. It's a little warmer or stuffier when we first got in, but it seems to be improving.
Houston, copies out. Houston.
You may be able to see some.
Go ahead.
Some particles jumping around on your screen. That's just dust particles that are being eliminated by sun shafting in the window.
Roger, they're very clear now, over. And that's a good view of Neil's correction of Buzz's circuit breaker panel there.
I can just barely see the handrail on the front porch from this position on the right-hand window.
Roger. Houston, our view of the panel 11 gets brighter than darker. Are you changing the f-stop at all? Over.
Now what's happening is that we get pretty close to the window now and then, and it drives the automatic light control into the stops, I think.
I think that's right.
Yeah, I had to switch on outside while I was going through the overhead window. That may be what's contributing to some of it.
Roger. Houston, we seem to be picking up a few bit more dust particles now. We see them quite clearly in the screen now. Over.
Yeah, I'm choking on one every so often.
Houston, your show is going out to the U.S. now. We're about to get the satellite up. It'll be transmitted to some other countries after that. Over.
Roger. I'm checking out this window bracket where I'll be putting it for the EVA pictures of Neil going down the ladder.
Roger. Paul 11, Houston, we keep marveling about the color and the clarity of the picture. It's really difficult to describe it, so it's just perfect. Over. Now 11, doesn't look like you're having too much trouble with that bracket up there, Buzz.
I tell you, those new knobs really make it easy to twist the thing and get it cinched down quite tight.
Right. 11, Houston, Buzz, how does the alignment look there?
Looks pretty good, as well as I can tell. Without the gear extended, I can't get a real definitive answer, but you couldn't fix it to any place to see much more out of the window without hand holding it for the whole time.
Roger, it looks like to us it's going to work real well.
Enough room to, yeah, I think so.
And Buzz, we see you putting your window guard in place there, and back up to the ISA now. Houston, ask FAO if the 90-degree bracket isn't stowed in the commander's stowage assembly. Stand by.